I'm at Steve Fiedler's house in Galloway now, and we're under his house in his basement, and we're going to talk about his geothermal system.
This system was installed about 2 years ago. We had an existing well in our front yard, and we had to have one new well drilled to return the water to the ground. Water comes in and goes through this Bosch geothermal unit here and converts our hot air system airstream into a heated airstream instead of the former gas unit that we had before. Pretty simple that way. We did some upgrades in the vent system to make the seams tighter and the duct joints better. The geothermal system is functioning flawlessly. We've had good results and knocked down our gas bill drastically. And we now just use gas for a tankless water heater and kitchen gas stove. We have a couple of attachments in the system now. One of them being a what's called an ERV, which is an energy recovery ventilator. Might be hard to see back here, but this unit exchanges the indoor air of the house with fresh air from outside without losing the heat values of the incoming air. It exchanges the heating or cooling from the stale air, and the incoming air is tempered so that we have not a loss of energy by bringing in fresh air. That's working very well. We also have a humidification unit that it puts moisture into the air. The ERV unit actually removes moisture from the air in the summertime, so it works as a dehumidifier. So that has been working very well, and just the basic geothermal principle of using the 55-degree temperature water from the 80-foot strata that our well is into. We borrow that temperature. It's modulated up or down by basic refrigeration principles, and then we send that water back to the same 80-foot level in the return well. None the worse for wear. It just goes through the piping of this unit. No contact with chemicals or contaminants of any kind. So it is a very simple means of extracting energy from a very benign source. So that's our story on that.